This video will walk you through how to use the For Students TLC tab in Blackboard. So the For Students in TLC tab in Blackboard is for our tutoring services. We have two different modules related to tutoring services. The first module is the Teaching and Learning Center, also known as the TLC. And the TLC offers tutoring in all different academic areas. So when you scroll down your Blackboard page, you will see bullets for all different subject areas where we provide tutoring. The second tutoring module listed in this page is the Right Way. The Right Way offers tutoring related to writing. If you want to learn more about writing tutoring, all you need to do is watch these 3 videos. They will explain to you how to work with a tutor in the right way, how to make a virtual writing appointment, and how to upload documents. This video is going to focus mostly on the TLC. So the TLC page is updated regularly. You're going to want to check back in case you were looking for something that you didn't see. It might now be available. So for the spring 2021 semester, we have all of these schedules listed, but there may be more schedules coming. So let's say I was a student in math and I realized I needed help in my math class. I would scroll through all of these available schedules till I found math. I would click on math and it would take me to a document that lists our tutors' schedules. So here on Mondays, I can see that Adam is working 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and Michelle is working 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. So if it was 6:30 p.m., I realize on Monday that Adam is the only tutor available. So at 6:30 p.m., if I'm working on my math, I'm just going to click on Adam's name. It's going to open up a new tab where you're going to type in your name and you're going to join the session. This is going to bring you into a Blackboard Collaborate room. This Blackboard Collaborate room is your tutor's room, okay? Your tutor will be in here at the scheduled time. So now that I am in this tutoring room, I see that there are some buttons on the bottom. This first button here is where you can leave the session if it's not the right room for you to be in. It can be where you provide feedback, like if your instructor or your tutor asked you a question, you could provide feedback this way, and you can agree or disagree with various questions. This is your microphone. You're going to want to turn it on to talk to people. And this is your camera. You can turn this on to share your video. If you have a question, you can raise your hand here. Then over here on the right, we have this purple tab, which you can open up and you will see this little speech bubble. This can be where you type in a chat, where you ask a question. This is going to be sort of like instant messenger. And then next to that, you'll see these 2 bobbleheads. When you click on that, you'll see who's in your room. If you're in a room at a time when a tutor's scheduled to be in there, the tutor will be in there and then you will be in there. There may be other students in the room. There might not be. And there are ways for tutors to divide students up into their own separate workrooms. So if you don't want to work with somebody else, you can be in your own room. Typically though, there is only 1 student in at a time. So then this will be where you work with your tutor. You can share documents here. You can talk together. Your tutor can share documents or Blackboard tabs or internet tabs. This is generally going to be where you're going to share your materials so that your tutor can help you with your class. Now I'm going to go back over to the For Students tab, the TLC tab in Blackboard. And you'll see here underneath all of our schedules the way to get in contact with the TLC. So if you have a question or a concern, you can email the TLC right here. Let's say you were looking for tutoring, but you couldn't find your course or you couldn't find your subject area. You just fill out this request form and you email it back to the TLC. If you have general questions related to study skills, there are some resources available to you here. And there's also information on other topics like how to become a tutor, AccuPlacer info, NetTutor, which is an online tutoring program for certain classes, and other general information related to Fox Valley Tech and the community. If you have questions related to Blackboard, what you're going to want to do is click on the Getting Ready tab. When you click on the Getting Ready tab, you'll see that there are various pieces of information related to what students might need for Blackboard. So here's a video on how to submit an assignment. Here's a video on how to track your grades. So if you have questions related to how to use Blackboard, you're going to go to the Getting Ready tab. If you need help in your classes with your content, with different questions, you go to the For Students TLC tab and you work with a tutor. You can drop in to see a tutor anytime that somebody is available. And you could also make an appointment in the right way if you want a scheduled writing appointment. If you have any questions, again, all you need to do is email the TLC and somebody will get back to you. But otherwise, what you need is located right here within Blackboard.